आपका दामी
हाँ आपका
माय नेम इज गणेश बोरा
Hi guys, we have come today to Elnir Katte, the famous Elnir Katte which has been viral and trending all over the internet in the past few months in Bangalore. We have now come to its latest franchise in JP Nagar 7th phase. It is opened right opposite to Elita Promenade in JP Nagar 7th phase, Puttenalli area. So I have with me Mr. Fani Chandra himself, one of the partners of Elnir Katte. They started this franchise ಎಷ್ಟು sir 5 ತಿಂಗಳ ಮುಂಚೆನಾ
5 ತಿಂಗಳು ಮುಂಚೆ ಜುಲೈ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
It started in the month of July in 2021.
Yeah, we have Gandhi Bazar is the main
Gandhi Bazaar.
main office. Then it is in Jainagar. Then it is in Malleshwaram.
Oh,
Yeah, and Panchagiri second stage
Okay.
and RBI. So in all it is 5.
and the latest one is this one, RBI.
This was opened in
July.
July. Yeah,
This is the latest one.
Yeah.
So Mr. Fani Chandra says that there are 5 branches of Elnir Katte already opened within a span of 1 year. Let's go give this a try. I have ordered one of their first and basic drink that they started this entire concept with, which is known as the Katte Special. Katte Special is nothing but they put a malai and they put their own unique recipe which I was not allowed to shoot, but they add a little bit of special ingredients, a little bit of dry fruits and a thick shake in using their mixie, and that was the first drink they came up with. So I was told that I cannot shoot that because that has a unique recipe just like your KFC or any other product. But anyways, we have the Katte Special right here with us. We have it ready. Let's go check it out. So a nice layering of pomegranate with me and a malai, of course. I get a lot of dry fruits here. So if you see, these spoons that I'm using are actually biodegradable. These are not plastic. These are made using betel nuts. Truly organic, truly healthy. I don't know what to say because it's really really nice. This is not a milkshake, don't mistake me, because this is just a coconut shake. And I don't know what they put in it, the essence, or I'm getting, because maybe it's a pista I'm getting, because I don't know, they literally put 5 to 6 different types of dry fruits in this. So I don't know, this is a very wholesome drink. Basically this has been ordered by my mom, so if she probably had a thick shake with an ice cream, she wouldn't be able to have dinner as well, because apparently this is kind of filling. It's got a very creamy, thick texture to it. It is not your very liquid tender coconut drink. Because of all the dry fruits and the malai. Mostly it's malai and tender coconut and all the dry fruits. But it's truly awesome. Let me take you to another drink as well, which I have ordered specifically. It is made up of completely overloaded amount of dry fruits and a lot of chocolate syrup, a lot of custard, and a lot of a blackcurrant scoop of ice cream, and loaded again with malai, tender coconut, more dry fruits. That looked itself very rich in its making. So I was really excited to have it. Let's go check that out. So let's go give one of my most favorite ice creams, blackcurrant tender coconut shake. Here goes. I'm getting a lot of burst of nuts and a very creamy, thick texture of a very qualitative ice cream. This ice cream is really good. Let me take a bit of a shake also by now. As I was expecting, this shake is much thicker than the one I had before, the Katte Special, because this, like in the process of making itself, I could make out this is going to be much more richer, much more thick, and much more nutritious and healthy, because I'm tasting a burst of all the dry fruits flavor in my mouth as we speak, and the creamy, thick blackcurrant ice cream. Oh, the mixture of all this is something else, and let me take a while and let me enjoy this. Before this, I just want to ask one more question to Phani Chandra sir. Let us disturb him for another minute. The concept of Elnir Katte Bantu, can you please tell them?
Yeah, it was one group of friends who were trying to do something new, innovative, and unique.
During the lockdown.
During the lockdown, yeah. It was precisely during
Pandemic times.
2019. So they had something in mind. It should be natural and also unique. So they found this tender coconut concept, and they did lot of R&D or whatever you call. They did lot of tryouts, and then they came out with this concept. They tried themselves with their families, friends.
In 2019.
Yes.
And but they started in 2020.
20 they started. Yeah.
In the month of somewhere around
December.
December.
They are just 1 year old now. December 7th,
exactly
they
1
turned
year old.
Yeah. So it was very well recognized and accepted by crowds. And if you see in Gandhi Bazaar, it was like traffic jam everywhere.
Yeah, jam pack.
A lot of jump pack, and people used to wait for half an hour plus 1 hour like that to get their recipes. So they have ventured into franchise inquiries into other states also.
Okay.
In Mumbai, very soon they are going to start
Okay.
one franchise.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
I think the prices are also reasonable for the service that the quick and fast service that we get here, the quick and fast service, and the quality, and it's all organic, it's all healthy. There's no mixture, there's no adulteration. They're very true to what they create, and it's straightforward. They don't beat around the bush. It's very simple what they offer you. It's a simple tender coconut shell with a special ingredient of products, a very simple shake. That's what they offer, and that's what they deserve. It doesn't take hardly 5 minutes to prepare this, and you have it over in your hand so that you can cherish. Probably people who are actually on a diet or something can easily have this for their lunch and easily be full. If you don't want an ice cream, you don't have to order an ice cream, because the prices also I found are very reasonable. The Katte Special, which being the most basic drink of them, costs around 60 rupees, and any thick shake of your choice with any fruit of your choice, whichever is available, it's all seasonal, so whichever is available at the moment, there are like 5 to 6 different varieties. So based on that, if you order one without ice cream, you will get it for 90 bucks, and one with ice cream would cost you around 120 bucks. So I think this is a steal deal. He said 6 people during the pandemic were bored out of their minds, came up with a concept to make something out of themselves and to start a venture, and 6 people started originally in in Gandhi Bazaar. In Gandhi Bazaar, and so far it has opened already 5 different branches. It was jam-packed, people waiting for half an hour, 30 plus minutes to get their recipes and to get their hands on Elnir Katte products. And now I heard it's also venturing it to Mumbai. So a Kannada originated name, Elnir Katte, is making its mark in Mumbai, which is actually a very proud moment for all of us. So let's give the team of Elnir Katte a big thumbs up and all our love and support so that they can grow and make all of us proud as well. Cheers.
Thank you so much.